Hi guys, today we're gonna make green stew. This is how I make my delicious green stew. Okay, first of all, I have to wash all my vegetables. Okay, everything I'm using is green. Okay, we are making green stew. At times it's good to change your stew, not all the time tomato stew. You can also try another style. I tried it and it gave me a perfect result. Honestly, my family love it, so that's why I stick on making this delicious stew. Okay, I go ahead by adding my olive oil, then I add my onions. Okay, I add my shrimps, I add all my seasonings. Okay, then after adding them, I stir it together. Okay, then after that I transfer my blended vegetables on it. So I also add my dry fish. Then I cover it and allow it to cook until it become dried. Then after that I add my proteins and my crayfish and my seasoning cube and my salt. Okay, then I stir all together. It's so easy to prepare, so easy. So you stir it and make sure it's well combined, please. Okay, then I go ahead and test for the salt. I notice that everything is perfect. Then I cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. After that I add my basilical. Okay, then I allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes I bring it down and serve. Guys, if you try this stew, you're not gonna eat any other stew. Honestly, it's the best and very healthy, very delicious. Come and join me, let's eat together. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to share. I love you. Bye.